Is it possible to get 7 bands in IELTS writing? Yes, it is possible. But not by using particular 10 words, not by using very fancy vocabulary. It is the combination of everything on which you are judged. For example, you are judged on the basis of your vocabulary, but it doesn't mean that you will use any senseless vocabulary in your writing. Your vocabulary should be in sync with the topic. If you are using just somebody told you use these 10 words and you will get 7 bands, it is not possible, guys. It is not possible. I have been here teaching IELTS since 2007, and let me tell you that the students who get 7 bands, what is exactly in their writing is the natural flow. They are not using any fancy vocabulary. It is a debatable issue. It is this, and if they're using, it is making sense. Some of the students just mug up, it is irrefutable, it is this, undoubtedly, and they just find some place to set in these words. It doesn't work. Examiners are well experienced, well trained. They know that whether the child has used these vocabulary in sync with the question or they're just using it, they have just memorized some lines and they're using it. Templates don't work for 7. Please don't be under this. If you don't have views, if you're if you're using templates, if you're using some lines, if it is just 10%, it's fine. But if your answer has 50% mugged up lines and 50% your own lines, it won't help you to get 7. It can help you to get 6, 6.5. Still, if your views are not in sync with the question, you can't get even 6 in writing. So you have to take care that your grammar, your sentence structure, vocabulary, and cohesion, connection. Your writing should look as if it is naturally flowing. It should show that you have command over English. Some good structures can help, like question statement, it can help. So you need to work for 7. Yeah, unless your English is very good and you are able to, even if your English is good and you're not answering according to the question asked, you will not get 7. So you need vocabulary according to the question. You need views according to the question. You should have variety of tenses, like perfect tense should also be used. Active passive structure should be used. Some question statement, interrogative statement should be used. 7, that's why it becomes difficult in writing, because you can't get it just like that. You have to work for that. 7 is possible, but don't go for these things like these 10 words will help me, or 7, you need practice, you need people to check your writing, to guide you. So please work for this.